Hello, you're welcome to AppFix and In. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your camera on TikTok. So you want to turn off your camera on TikTok so that it won't be suggesting for you the makeup on your camera while recording with your TikTok app. So right here is my homepage on my TikTok app. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button. So you need to go ahead and click on it like this. So right here, the next step you need to take here is to click on the profile icon found at the left corner of your screen. So looking right here on the left corner of your screen, you can see the profile icon right there. So you simply need to go ahead and click on that. So looking here where you can see face and also where you can see makeup, below where you can see face, you can see where it says on. So that is actually your makeup, and if that is turned on, it is actually going to be applying makeup on your face whenever you are using the TikTok app to video or take picture of yourself. So you need to go ahead and click on that and turn it off like this. So by doing this, it is now going to be showing your natural look while you are using the TikTok camera to record your face. So with this, you've been able to turn off the TikTok camera. Now I hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.